Just going to quickly go over, summarize some things that you've learned already, past little bit here at school. Pre-algebra rather, looking at point slope form of a linear equation and slope intercept of a linear equation. That's slope, the slope dash. That's not an R. It's not slope or intercept. I don't know what I was doing there with my marker. Slope intercept. So point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I know we've used h and k here sometimes instead of x and y. Normally in algebra 1 or in pre-algebra, we write it like this. And what we can tell from this equation is we can tell a point, which is going to be this xy, this second xy. This xy has to be x and y, but this xy has to be numbers, and then the slope. So in this particular example, y minus 2 equals -1/2 x times, or times x plus 3. The point that we can identify is -3, 2. Notice we have the opposite of the value that's here because there's a negative sign in the formula, and we have a slope of -1/2. Slope equals -1/2. So in order to graph that, we can go to -3 in the x direction, +2 in the y direction, and there's our -3, +2, and then go down 1/2. So go down 1 and go across 2, go down 1 and across 2, go down 1 and across 2, go down 1 and across 2, until you have enough points that you're comfortable with where that line's going to be, and you can draw a line. Okay, so that's graphing a line from point slope form. Here's slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So this is a super easy form. People love this form. We really, really want you to know point slope form, and this slope intercept is kind of secondary. For now, next year you'll actually learn a third form and maybe a fourth form, depending on the teacher. And but slope intercept is an easy form. You're gonna wind up using this a lot because it's easy to deal with. So this says that the y-intercept is 0, -1. There's no opposite here because this is a plus sign in the formula, so this is not opposite. And then the slope is equal to 2/3, +2/3, so a rise of 2 and a run of 3. So we're going to start here at 1, -1, or 0, -1 rather. And we're going to go up 2 and over 3. So we're going to go up 2 and over 3. We're going to go up 2 and over 3. We can also go down 2 and back 3. Right? And we wind up with dots that we can make a line out of. All right. Next video, I'm going to discuss how you use these same two equations in word problems. How can this point slope thing help us in some word problems where other word problems we might want to use slope intercept?